Well, welcome to my next video. Here we are at Old Petrie Town in Petrie. I'm here with a photographic group. I'm going to wander around and take a bunch of photos. And I'm going to do some videoing too. Alrighty. Looks like the group right there. Alright, well, here's the entrance. Old Petrie Town, complete with check-in apps. He is bloody quiet, isn't he?
Amaryllis, yes.
That's a cute little thing you got in the can.
Well, you know me, I like going sneaking down the back ways and byways and see what's behind things. Seedy underbelly. Alrighty. Wasn't that exciting? This is shady back here. Like a tourist trap to me. Vinyls, eh? Vinyl records. Yeah, never did like vinyl. Always clicking and popping and jumping. I was so happy when CDs came out. Morning. Right, I'll probably be back. We'll see how long the battery lasts, eh? Get back on the street. The shed. Okay, the shed. I wonder what the shed is all about. We don't know because it's, sorry, we're closed. Now, what's this over here? Dixie Belle Paint Company. Jolly Jumbucks, come on in. Good morning. Old train station down here amongst the scrub. Some birds sunning themselves. Something. Hey buddies. What you doing? PMG. For the uninitiated, that means Postmaster General. Royal Mail. Signal room. Asbestos containing material exists in this building. Alright. Old Petrie Town Railway Station. We're on a road to nowhere. Yes. Well, the gents is locked, so no relief to be had there. Alright. Yeah, I was just thinking to check, make sure the SD card is installed. Yes, thank goodness it is. I think this little gadget warns you as you start recording it, there's no card. But wait, there's more, and that one's chained off. Must be something good down there. The Bush Door Cafe, alright. Looks pretty deserted. Oh, that's a nice table. Check that table out. Wouldn't that be great? Have in your backyard. Have your family and friends over for a party or just to get together. Bush Door Cafe, food with love energy. Alrighty. Nothing wrong with love energy. What was that about? Ask and ye shall receive. It's always such a relief. This area seems to be roped off, and as usual I'm probably on the wrong side of the rope off. Well, sue me. And I don't care. Sounds Sounds like some action going on down this way. Let's go check it out. Queensland's Team in the Vintage Machinery Society, Inc. It's like a log splitter or something. There you go, hydraulic wood splitter.